Most people think that injuries come from, well, I don't know, doing stupid stuff like this. Well, yes, impact injuries can. However, most injuries are repetitive strain injuries. And what this means is that they creep up over time, and then the muscles and tendons and everything just sort of like slowly tighten around the joints. And so then people get chronic neck pain and shoulder pain and low back pain. Well, so if you're in one position for long periods of time, that's what happens. So imagine you're sitting in your chair at your desk, working, probably over time. It looks kind of like this. I'll show you from the side. Like this. And you're here for 8 hours of the day, maybe 5 days a week. Or you can be standing, and standing is better, but it's still in one position. So instead, if you can move your joints, especially your hips, because the hips connects with the sacrum and everything, and that affects the whole spine. So if the whole spine is stiff, the neck and shoulders and the low back will be painful. So here's what you can do. Just move. You can like move your spine and your hips. So like I can tilt it back, tilt it forward, tilt it back, tilt it forward, one side to the other. I might do little circles. Yeah, this might look sexy. It might look like belly dancing, but here's the thing. Your ball and socket joint, that's what's your bone that's in your leg, it goes up into this hip bone like a ball and socket like this. So when you're moving your hips around, it shifts and moves and gets those ligaments and tendons to loosen up. And when those loosen up, the muscles around them can loosen up. And you get blood flow and you get movement. And so you get freedom in your hips. So you might be sitting at your desk at work. And instead of just sitting there beep, the whole time, you might be moving like this and like this. Maybe you can bring your head in with that movement. And your colleagues will wonder, where has she gone? She must be on drugs. But no, actually, you're trying to get rid of your headache or your low back pain. And maybe you're standing and you're at your standing desk and you might be rocking back and forth like this. And somebody might be thinking, is she trying to get my attention? Or he? No, I'm just trying to keep my low back from hurting. So any of this kind of movement stuff, allow yourself to do it. It'll feel good. It'll look great too. Most importantly though, it will keep you from hurting.